all-new Acesonic BDK-2000 is the world's first professional Blu-Ray Disc karaoke player and can play all your favorite discs, movies, and karaoke files. There are many other features built in that solidify this player's spot as a center of entertainment in your home or venues, such as BD live streaming, USB, and the ability to read, play, and display many of your media file types. Simply make the HDMI connection to your HDTV or sound system, connect it to your network through Ethernet, and you're ready to begin taking advantage of the many features. Online software upgrades can also be performed so you can stay up to date with the latest firmware and new feature functions. Aside from Blu-ray discs, the player also supports 50GB dual-layer Blu-ray recordable and rewritable discs, DVDs, VCDs, CDGs, audio CDs, and data discs. BD Live is supported too, so you can download additional content for your BD Live enabled movies. In addition to the many disc types, the BDK-2000 is also compatible with many popular file formats such as MP4, MOV, DivX, XVID, RMVB, M2TS, MPEG, MP3G, MP3, and JPEG. This means you can play all your movies or burn video files and pictures onto a disc and view it all in HD quality, up to 1080p or 1920 by 1080 resolution. This year, Acesonic has revamped the BDK-2000, adding many new and powerful features that greatly expand the capabilities of the system. With the BDK-2000, you are now able to rip CDGs and audio CDs. These files are saved as MP3 files onto a storage device at either 1 times or 4 times the speed. There is also a Rip All feature to quickly rip an entire disc. A convenient feature is that you can edit the name of the file as you're ripping the track. You can organize these files into a playlist using the playlist generator. One of the top features added to the BDK-2000 is its new recording feature. You can use this device to record in 3 different ways. You can record a cappella, speech, or dictation through the microphone in CD quality. This is useful when you want to get a clean audio track without any background music. You are also able to record while playing CD, CDG, or VCD karaoke discs as a background track. Lastly, record your singing while playing MP3G, MPEG-1, MPEG-2, VLB, AVI, and MKV files. A file numbering function is built in and can be used to find files quickly, simply by entering a number the player assigned to it. Access thousands of files in a snap. What's even more convenient is you can connect a USB drive to the BDK-2000 and play your video, music, and picture files too. The USB port found on this player supports a USB 2.0 hub, making attaching multiple hard drives and flash drives possible. The USB port supplies enough power to run even portable hard drives that do not require external power. This is also the only USB media player that can support NTFS and FAT32. So whichever one of these popular disc formats and file types you choose to use, the BDK-2000 is ready to play it. Acesonic has made the BDK-2000 support as much as it can while making it easy to use. A direct access front panel is implemented, allowing easy use of all common controls even without the remote, making this perfect for professional studio and video operators. Enter track numbers, fast forward, rewind, and change menu settings, all using the front panel. Another nifty and exclusive feature is a volume control knob that allows easy adjustment. This is also the only Blu-ray disc player that provides rack mounts to securely place the BDK-2000 in a road case or AV rack. There are even plenty of features for karaoke singers built in. Karaoke DVD, CDG, VCD, and MP3G formats are all supported. 2 microphone inputs are built in with bass, treble, echo, and volume knobs, so you can fine-tune your performance. Another useful way to use a microphone is to make announcements, presentations, or speeches with video or pictures on screen. A plus and minus 7 step key control is built in and can be adjusted by half steps, so you're sure to find the key to match your voice. A powerful audio MPX multiplex feature is also available on the front panel and remote, allowing users to switch between mono left, mono right, stereo, or mixed audio. You can even switch from tracks 1 through 4 as the player auto-identifies single or multiple tracks. Aside from the HDMI, Ethernet, USB, and microphone inputs, there are a lot more useful connections like the headphone jack, so you can enjoy your music or movies in private. Other video and audio outputs include component video, RCA video, stereo RCA audio, coaxial audio, and optical audio. All video outputs can be used with HDMI, enabling simultaneous triple displays. HDMI and RCA audio can be used together, which is great for connecting a TV and mixer at the same time. 100 or 240 volt power is supported and auto-detected, making this player compatible worldwide. The detachable power cord allows you to easily switch to other types of power cords in different countries, so however you currently have your system configured, there is sure to be a way to integrate the BDK-2000 as part of it. For more information, please check out www.acesonic.com.